Tip number 19 in building your personal brand and thought influence is to learn. Learn from as many resources as you possibly can. My father always told me, never put all of your eggs into one basket. Of course, he did grow up as a farmer on a farm, but that's a whole nother story in Wisconsin. What I wanted to share with you is to invest in yourself. Learn, learn, learn. So the other year, I think it was in 2015, LinkedIn purchased lynda.com, which is an amazing resource to learn from all of these free courses. I learned from lynda.com how to code HTML and JavaScript and CSS, all for free, which has been amazing because now I can code my own websites and my own emails. And you can too. You can learn anything if you want to. So linkedin.com/learning is an amazing resource with over 5,000 courses, all on the areas of business, creative, and technology. If you feel ambitious enough to learn how to code as well, you can code your own video game. There's a lot of fun things that you can learn how to do. So that's my tip to you. Tip number 19 in building your personal brand is really make sure that you're learning and growing because there are so many options out there. There's so many different tools that you can use to take your brand to the next level. So many resources that you can use to make sure that you do all of your stuff in-house if you want. You can do so much for free. Just be resourceful, learn, and grow. That's my tip to you. Let me know what your favorite resources are to learn and to grow. What tools do you love using that helps you save so much time and money? For me, part of it is free captions on my videos. I love free stuff. I am a professional bargain hunter. Do not challenge me. I will win. Also, different free design tools like Canva or creating websites and tools like Squarespace and Wix are really easy templates. There's so many options out there. They're endless. So let me know what your favorite ones are in the comments below. I can't wait to learn and grow with you. And I will see you next time for my 20th and final tip of my 20 Tips in 2020 series. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.